Hello everyone, welcome to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to design a golf ball using SolidWorks. So let's start the video. First of all, select a new part file and then change its background into plain white. Also change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now go to sketch and select the front plane. Now draw a vertical line from the origin, also a horizontal line. Now select both horizontal as well as vertical line by pressing the Control key and make them equal. Now go to Smart Dimension and measure the length of 22 millimeter. Now go to 3-point arc. Make sure that the angle is 90 degree. Now go to Smart Dimension and measure the length 22 mm. Now exit the sketch and go to Features and go to Revolve Boss Base and select this line and press OK. Now Control 7 and this is the isometric view. Now go to Sketch, select the front plane and normal. Now make the vertical center line like this. Also two lines, one horizontal and one vertical. Horizontal line from the top of this like this, and also a vertical line like this. Now go to Smart Dimension and measure this line as 2.25 mm and also this line as 1 mm. Now go to 3-point arc and make a line like this. Now go to Smart Dimension and measure the radius as 3.3 mm. Okay, now exit the sketch press Ctrl 7. This is the isometric view. Now go to Features, Revolve Cut and OK. Now go to Reference Geometry and go to Axis. And now go to front plane and the top plane and press OK. Again go to Reference Geometry, go to Axis and now select top plane and right plane. Now press OK. Now go to this option and show axis. Our axis is showing, so we don't need to do this. Now we need to make pattern like this on the whole surface. So go to cut revolve and go to circular pattern, and in axis go to axis 1, select the horizontal axis, and the angle is 15 degree, and we want two such patterns, and now click OK. See, the two patterns are made. Now we have to make other patterns like this on the whole surface, and we will keep increasing the angle by 15 degree. Now the same process, go to cut revolve 1, go to circular pattern, select this horizontal axis. Now the angle is 30 degree, and we want two patterns. Click OK. Again go to cut revolve, go to circular pattern, select the horizontal axis. Now the angle is 45 degree. Click OK. Again go to cut revolve, go to circular pattern, and again select the horizontal axis, and now the angle is 60 degree. Press OK. Wait a second. Press 60 degree and press OK. Now the last one, go to circular pattern, select the horizontal axis, and now the angle is 75 degree. Press OK. Now we have made the patterns by taking the reference axis as horizontal axis. Now we will make the pattern by using the vertical axis. So the same process, choose circular pattern 1. Now circular pattern, we will choose the vertical axis, and the angle is 360 degree. And we want 6 patterns. So type 6 and press OK. Similarly, now we will choose circular pattern 2. Circular pattern, we will choose the vertical axis. The angle is 360 degree, and we want 12 such patterns. Press OK. Now circular pattern 3. Circular pattern, select the vertical axis, angle is 360 degree, and we want 18 such parts. Press OK. Now circular pattern 4 and circular pattern, choose the vertical axis, angle is same 360 degree, and now we want 21 such patterns. Press OK. Now for the last one, circular pattern 5. Select the circular pattern, choose the vertical axis, angle is same, but the number of patterns is 24. Press OK. See, we have made all the patterns. Now hide the axis, so we will go here and press this one. See, the axis is hide now. Now we want the whole surface, so we will use mirror command. We will go to mirror, we will choose here the top plane, and now features to mirror, we will choose the whole part. See, press OK. It will take some time. See, but here one row is missing, so we will add one row. For this we will choose cut revolve, and we will choose circular pattern, and we will choose the horizontal axis. For this we will make our axis visible, axis 1. Okay, we will choose here axis 1, and now the angle is 90 degree, and the number of patterns we want is 2. So press OK. See, this pattern is made. Now we will use the vertical axis and make the patterns like this. Okay, so we will choose circular pattern 11 and circular pattern, and here we will choose axis 2, which is our vertical axis. Okay, and now the angle is 360 degree, and we want 27 such patterns. So we will type 27 and press OK. See, now our part is complete, but we want to fillet these patterns. So go to fillet, and the fillet radius is 1 mm, and now select the entire part. It will take some time. Now all patterns are selected, so press OK. See, our part is complete. Now select the entire part, go to appearance, and go to appearance, select plastic, go to low gloss, and select clean low gloss plastic, and go to here, select shaded, and see, our part is completed. This is our isometric view. See, our part is completed. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel mechanical.com. Thanks.